This is lemon balm, one of my favorite calming herbs. This helps reduce stress and anxiety. It helps with benign heart palpitations. It reduces those electrode signals from anxiety that can get the palpitations going in the heart. Again, benign heart palpitations. If you use this with hawthorn berry, motherwort, a few other wonderful heart supporting herbs, you have a wonderful heart support tea or tincture, and you can find that on Time to Heal. But let's go back to this plant. It is beautiful. The volatile essential oils, when you rub the leaves of this plant, it smells glorious. And even the little critters enjoy sitting on those leaves. Look at this into your apothecary. It's a wonderful herb, so many benefits. Stay healthy, friends.